Let's take a look at Module 3 Decimals, Section 3.2, Example 3 and 4. We will try to learn how to subtract two decimal numbers. First one is subtract and check 54.0576 minus 36.72. So when you subtract the decimal numbers, first of all, you write the first number vertically and write subtraction sign, and write the second number, line up both decimal numbers by the decimal point, which is 36.72. Now we're gonna, since 36.72 has only two decimal places, what we can do is add two zeros at the end to replace digit. So now we could start subtracting. So we're using 6. We always start with the lowest digit. 6 minus 0 give us 6. 7 minus 0 give us 7. Now we have 5 minus 2 give us 3. Now 0 is not enough to be subtracted by 7, so we gotta borrow 1 from 4. So now we have 10. 10 minus 7 give us 3. And then we copy down the decimal point. But again, 3 is not enough to be subtracted by 6. So what we can do is borrow 1 from 5, make it 4. Now we have 13 minus 6 give us 7. And then the highest digit, which is 10th digit, 4 minus 3 give us 1. So the answer for this particular question is 17.3376. Okay, let's take a look at how we check this answer, right? In order to check this answer, we're basically just adding back the answer with the 36.7200, right? If we return back this check, if we go back to the original number 54.0576, so that will make it a correct answer. So when we add into decimal numbers, we always start with the lowest digit. 6 plus 0 gives us 6. 7 plus 0 is 7. 3 plus 2 is 5. And with 3 plus 7, which is 10, carry down the decimal point, then we gotta carry 1 over, right? 1 plus 7 is 8. 8 plus 6, 14. Again, we carry 1 over. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 3, 5. Actually, we go back to the original number 54.0576, which means we have the correct answer. Okay, and let's take a look at example 4. 89 is how much larger than 18.06. So this is a mini word problem. So we're dealing with how much larger. That means we need to find the difference between 89 and 18.06. Okay, basically we are subtracting 89 by 18.06. So first of all, let's write them vertically. Since 89 has no decimal point, you can add a decimal point right after the ones digit. Let's write down 18.06. Line up by the decimal point again, right? So we subtract them, and since 89 has no, after decimal point there's no numbers, you can add a couple zeros to replace the digit. Now 0 is not enough to be subtracted by 6. That means you gotta borrow all the way from 9, ones digit, make it 8. Now here we have 10, right? 10 minus 6 gives us 4, and this number will become 9 because we borrow 1 from previous digits. So 9 minus 0 make it 9. And we have a minus 8 is 0. A minus 1, which is the highest digit, give us 7. So the answer will be 70.94.